I realized that there were 3 things making my living room feel cluttered, and today I decided to fix them. If you're looking for practical home tips, realistic organization ideas, and simple solutions that make everyday family life easier, subscribe for more. The first thing I wanted to change was the open shelving next to our TV. No matter how often I organized it, seeing all the toys on display made the room feel cluttered. So I replaced the shelves with 2 old bedside tables. The toys are still easy to reach, but now I can hide the visual clutter instead of looking at it all day. Next, I went through the books. I only kept the ones we actually read in the living room and moved the rest upstairs to the kids' room. That way, everything has one place instead of being spread all over the house. Finally, I used the open space in the TV unit for my son's favorite games. The next area was our diaper station and coffee table. Over time, they'd become catch-all spaces for things that were only meant to be there temporarily. Old baby clothes, medication from the last time the kids were sick, creams we were no longer used, it all added up. So I cleared out everything, kept only what we actually need every day, and organized it so everything has a clear place again. The last space I tackled was my son's play area. Over time, we'd added more and more toys until the space started feeling crowded instead of inviting. When there are too many toys out at once, everything competes for attention, making it harder to choose what to play with and stay focused on it. So I kept the toys my son actually uses in the space and moved the rest upstairs to his room. Now the play area feels calmer, is easy to tidy, and still has everything he reaches for every day. Every area had a different problem. Open shelves created visual clutter. Catch-all spaces filled up with things that didn't belong. The play area had simply become overcrowded. Solving each of these problems made a much bigger difference than simply organizing everything again. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to know what's one area in your home that you think needs a better system. Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in my next video.